Welcome. For those preparing for GSET examination, the examination is scheduled for 26 November 2023 with hardly 2 months left. What is the right strategy? Now, first of all, conditions for eligibility. Even if you are a student from outside Gujarat, you are eligible to apply for the GSET examination. The only condition is you would fall under general category student from other state. Even if you have completed your postgraduate from a foreign university, if your university is approved by the Association of Indian Universities, you are eligible to appear for the GSET examination. Now, another important thing is when you are applying for GSET examination, the paper of the examination, the paper pattern is exactly the same as your UGC NET syllabus. The only difference is students from the sciences background would also have to study the paper 1, but that paper 1 would be of the UGC NET paper 1, not the CSIR part A. So very important, the UGC NET paper 1 lies common for all students. So here is the list of topics for UGC NET paper 1 that you would have to study. Now here again in the interface itself, you do have the detailed list of topics where it includes the teaching aptitude, research aptitude, philosophy, questions related to logic, analytical reasoning, environment, education, and then governance and polity. The detailed video lectures are also covered on each of the topics, so we do have the list here. Now coming on to your second part of the section, which is the subject. So under UGC NET there is a huge range of subjects which is available. However, under the GSET examination there are limited around 35-40 subjects which are available for you, but from this list you have to pick. For example, your subject is electronic science or geography or history, you can just go here on the website, go on to the programs and check out the program. So for many of those you do have video course, online test, study material questions. Now these questions include the previous year questions, so make it a point that you definitely refer the previous year questions before your examination for your NET, because these are highly applicable. Students from science background would have to refer the syllabus as prescribed by the CSIR, that's given under the GSET guidelines itself. So there are just 5 subjects in this CSIR syllabus: chemical science, life science, physical science, mathematical science, and earth science. So either of these subjects you have to opt for video course, study material, or questions. You have to take a call which one is the subject that you are opting for and what exactly you are looking for. Do you require notes at this point of time? Because with such less time left, it's best to practice as many questions as you can, because a lot of similar kind of questions are asked often on in the examination, specifically in the theoretical subjects. Even in the science subjects, similar questions which are based on similar applications or similar formulas are often on asked. So prepare those well, and once you practice that, you would ultimately get an insight about how to proceed further. So this GSET bulletin is really important. You have your exam on 26th of November with just 2 months left. It is a very good time to start your preparation in full swing and get a good score for your GSET. Thanks for joining in today. Have a wonderful day. In case you have any questions or queries, post those in the comment section. Thank you.